Right, welcome, DCTMAKES, broken thumbs, ow. Okay, trying a new wireless audio here, so I thought I'd show you guys the ring bending tools I use for, if you go to Etsy, you can find some of my stuff on Etsy. It is just search for DCTMAKES, all kinds of different stuff. But this is a machine that I came up with to actually bend rings. We just take it out of the stand for a second so you can see how big this monster is. Big long handle, good mechanical advantage when you're bending. And then down here, just a mechanism to actually push this piece of cold rolled inch by inch steel over onto a peg. Now on the peg, what I have is various sizes of high density polyethylene HDPE that I've cut and carved so I can turn different, bend different radii here, and just simple sockets. And this guy here is just a extension socket, and there's a pin down here to adjust the tightness of that. So if we want to make a number like 12 ring, I'll show you that. Let's see. Sorry, bashing you around. Okay. Put you there, and you can see the process. And with this much mechanical advantage, you can almost bend. You bend stainless, all kinds of stuff. But here, you'll you can manipulate and turn. Depends on how thick they are. I've bent some really thick spoons on and knives and forks on this thing. And then you can change the size, and if you wish, you can go down a level, and you can tighten up the radius. Great tool, production, almost production ring making. And there you go. Makes nice rings. Great tool out of scrap. Hey, subscribe. Talk to you later. Hope the sound sounds good. We'll see, right? See you, bye.